Hello! Today we'll be making glutanious rice ball or Tang Yuan for Winter Solstice or Dongzhi. We will need 500 grams of glutanious rice flour and 250 grams of room temperature water. Now I'll be kneading the glutanious rice flour with water into a soft dough which is not too dry and not too sticky. You can add a choice of color, food coloring if you like. Now we will roll it into long stripes, which I have already done. Also, this has been food colored with Ribena. Now we'll be cutting them into smaller pieces. Now we are going to roll the glutanious rice ball. You can be creative and make it any design you want. For us, we have 3 designs. The normal white one, the two-tone one, half is Ribena, half is white, and the marble. Just be creative and do what your heart thinks. Now, we will be making the brown sugar syrup. To make brown sugar syrup, we will need, of course you'll need brown sugar. Then we'll need pandan leaves and some water. There are 2 types of brown sugars. One is without ginger, the original, duh, and one with ginger. Now we're gonna melt the brown sugar in by putting in the boiling water. This one is with ginger. We have it on supervision, it's really hot. Oh, also there's pandan leaves in it. Now we'll cook and boil the glutanious rice ball in boiling water. We will know that it's ready when it starts floating. Tang Yuan is almost ready. Look, it's even floating like a balloon. Now the Tang Yuan is ready. Yummy! So this is the Tang Yuan in the brown sugar syrup, or you could say glutinous rice ball. And this is the dry version of it. Now we're going to make the coating for the dry Tang Yuans. For this, I'm using walnut cookies, but you can use any other cookies like cashew nut cookies, peanut cookies, or just peanut powder. It's just up to you. I have now put the walnut cookies in a Ziploc bag. Now, just crush it. Ta-da! Here is both of our Tang Yuans. Here's the dry one and our syrup Tang Yuan. Oh, and I almost forgot. Here's my snowman Tang Yuan. Here's 2 of it. I don't know where the other one went. You like what you're seeing? Well, give it a like. You want to see more? Well, comment down what is your ideas. And also, please subscribe. Thank you.